Third rule of English speaking: habits. How would you like to drink a lot of water daily if you never practice how to drink 10 of this glass 10 times? If you use any app for your habits and you practice it, on one day in the future will be available what I told you in my first rule: go to sleep early, and will be available for you how to drink a lot of water, because you will practice it in your habit app. Because habits define who you are. So without habits, you can't do it. When you practice these habits, your life will be better and better. From another side, for example, for English study and for your stability in your life, because you will be never tired, and you will be hydrated too, but without simple water, never. The first rule was go to bed and speak and sleep. Second was drink a lot of water. And third rule is your habits. My first secret was when I began with habits. I tried a lot of apps. Maybe 2 years or more, I use only one app on my phone. This is very good app. I recommend for you. It's called maybe Awesome Habits. This is perfect app. So the first secret when you begin with your habits: practice to practice. Practice, you will practice the habit. So the first habit what you'd like to practice will be practice, you will practice. Maybe in English this sentence was very hard to understand. I'd like to tell you with another word. If you'd like to practice anything, but you forgot to open this habit app because you never planned when you will open this app every morning and every evening, that means you haven't this habit in your side to open this app, and you never connect this work to open this app and do something in this app, organize your life, and you never connect your work with this app, you will not use it. How to connect? For example, if you go to your morning toilet, you can use this app. Few times later, at all times when you go to the toilet, every morning and every evening, you can use this app and you can work with this app. So first secret, what I learned when I began more years ago with habits, is this one. First habit is to practice. You will have to use in the future this app. Maybe this is so complicated, but if you begin to use this app or same app, which is so nice for you and so simple to use in your daily life, your life will be changed from a lot of parts of your life because you will be organized.